Okay, let's cook. Roll. Shape. Fold. Cut. Separate. Salted boiling water. Pasta. Can you get me chopping? Okay. Portobello. Pepper. Sun-dried tomato. Last but not least, fresh spinach, organic, of course. Heavy cream. Mount Aubert. We're going to mount this with butter. It's going to thicken up the cream. Pan was nice on a medium. Now, the butter is going to thicken it up. Drain pasta. To the sauce, we're going to add some red pepper. Reduce heat down to low. We're going to add spinach, pepper, sun-dried tomato, and the portobellos. We're also going to add some Italian sausage that we cooked a little earlier. Like I said, this is going to have a little New Orleans flavor to it. We're going to spice it up just a little bit. We're going to add the pasta now to the sauce. This pasta is thick. It's got a lot of flour. It's a thick flour and egg-based pasta. So what's going to happen is you're going to start to see it thicken up the sauce just enough to where we can get it, to where we can go ahead and plate it up and we can start to dine on this delicious, quick meal. Okay, sauce is ready. As you can see, we cooked it down a little bit using the noodles, the starchiness of the noodles. Look, I left them a little al dente. Well, actually, I left them a lot al dente. We're going to put some noodles on this beautiful plate here. And then we're going to use our spoon. We're going to get some of this, some sausage, some portobellos, some of the peppers. And we're going to just try to get some of this sauce in here with the sun-dried tomatoes. So it's a beautiful dish. Like I say with all my recipes, take it, make it your own. We in this house, we kind of like things thick. The noodles are very thick. But before we do that, we're going to pour ourselves a nice glass of Merlot. We're going to enjoy this with a little Merlot tonight. We're going to toast to you, everybody watching. We're going to say cheers. And we're also going to dig into the sauce. And this pasta that I made last night. This beautiful pasta. That's wonderful. Remember, check out Chef Tal on Facebook, Chef Tal Sims on Pinterest, and then we'll see you the next time we have a nice cooking demonstration. Until then, bon appetit.